Hello all, my name is Dr. Sunaina Sharma and I am here today with Live Ayur to discuss how to manage type 2 diabetes with Ayurveda. Diabetes or diabetes mellitus is a growing global concern, having reached the epidemic proportion in most countries. India has been estimated with fastest growing population of diabetics. It is a metabolic disorder consisting of high blood sugar or glucose levels due to a lack of insulin sensitivity or inadequate insulin production. Ayurveda uses the term Madhumeha to describe diabetes. Madhumeha or diabetes falls into two broad categories, type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, SAHAS, is a condition in which the patient's pancreas stops producing insulin. As the misdirected immune system of the patient attacks the insulin producing cells of the pancreas. Without insulin, your body cannot regulate glucose levels in your blood. Type 2 diabetes, apatya nimittas. Our subject of discussion here is characterized by the resistance of your body's cells towards insulin. The cells of your body, in the case of type 2 diabetes, cannot make use of the insulin that your pancreas has produced. This leads to abnormally high glucose levels or sugar levels in your blood. Another causative factors for type 2 diabetes is that your pancreas fails to produce enough insulin to meet the demand for increased insulin. This demand for increased insulin results from the situation in which the glucose in your blood cannot enter your body's cells and your body looks forward to an increased supply of insulin to help them out. Type 2 diabetes is often regarded as a silent killer. If not managed timely, type 2 diabetes may lead to serious life-threatening complications such as non-ketotic hyperosmolar coma, diabetic ketoacidosis, neuropathy, macroangiopathy, nephropathy or kidney failure, stroke, heart disease, retinopathy, glaucoma and cataracts. According to Ayurveda, Madhumeha is considered one of the Ashtmahagad or 8 major diseases in Ayurveda. Also, Ayurveda considers Madhumeha as a Kaphaj subtype of the disease called a Santarpanjanya Vyadhi. A patient with type 2 diabetes experiences the following 3 classical symptoms: polyuria, frequent urination. This symptom is referred to as Prabhut Mutrata, polyuria. Avil Mutrata, turbid urine. The other term used to polyuria in Ayurveda is Mutra Adhikya. Polydipsia, increased thirst. In Ayurveda, Trishna is the term used for thirst. Patient of type 2 diabetes shows elevated thirst or Trishna, which is also called Pipasa Adhikya. Polyphagia, increased hunger. In Ayurveda, the symptom of insatiable hunger is called Shuddha Vriddhi. A person with type 2 diabetes not only passes urine frequently but also passes urine that's as sweet as honey. This explains why diabetes is called Madhumeha. The term Madhumeha stands for honey urine. Other symptoms of type 2 diabetes may be Sarvang Vedana, body ache, Svet, excess perspiration, Daha Chikkanta, excess glossy or oily skin, Angagandh, bad body odor, Shithilangata, flaccidity of muscles, Shayanasan Swapna Sukh, desire for sedentary life, Karpad Daha, burning sensation of the hands and feet, Sheet Priyata, desire for cold food and environment, and Madhur Asya, sweet taste in the mouth. The classical symptoms of untreated diabetes are loss of weight, polyuria, polydipsia, and polyphagia. Type 2 diabetes or apathy nimittus is mainly triggered by wrong lifestyle and dietary choices. These days, most people tend to be sedentary and physically inactive. Also, most people show an increasing craze for processed food, refined carbs, and sugary drinks. Such food items are unhealthy and are one of the leading type 2 diabetes causes. According to Ayurveda, the problem of type 2 diabetes is labeled as a Santarpanjanya Tridoshas Vyadhi. Acharya Sushruta has explained this by saying that too much indulgence in Pramehe Utpadak Ahar Vihar results in the vitiation of Aparipakva Vata, Pitta and Kapha, which then combines with the Medo Dhatu. These vitiated doshas and dhatu eventually move downward through the Mutraveha Srotas and get localized at Basti, causing diabetes. Ayurveda believes that Madhumehe, Vatas Pramehe, is a kind of Asadhya Vyadhi, incurable disease. However, the issue may be managed with proper treatment. Ayurvedic management includes Shaman Chikitsa, use of anti-diabetic medications, Shodhan Chikitsa, Panchakarma therapy or bio-cleansing, and Pathya Ahar and Vihar, dietary and lifestyle modification. Shaman Chikitsa is the method of treatment. The patient is given medications such as Vasant Kusumakar Ras. In Yoga Ratnakar, a mention has been made of this powerful anti-diabetic medication, which can pacify the three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. In this Ayurvedic medication, the chief ingredients are Praval Pishti, Mukta Pishti, Ras Sindur, Rajat Bhasma, Swarna Bhasma, Loho Bhasma, Abrak Bhasma, Vang Bhasma, Nag Bhasma, Haldi, Kadli, Ikshu, Vasa, Chameli, Shatavari, Chandan, Kamal, Brit Bangeshwar Ras. This medication is prepared from metals like Moti Pishti, Ropya Bhasma, Abrak Bhasma, Vang Bhasma, Swarna Bhasam, Rajat Bhasma and Mukta Bhasma. Trivang Bhasma, Madhu Nashini Vati. This drug has Ayurvedic herbs like Nim, Katuki, Jambu, Guduchi, Gudmar, Kutas, Gokshur, Kirat Haridra, Karchur, Kalmek, Ashwagandha, Bilv, Babul, Krishna Jirak, Methika, Shilajatu, Vacha, Ativisha and Trifla. Madhu Kalpavati. This drug has Ayurvedic herbs like Kutki, Karela, Jamun, Methi, Neem, Chiraita, Atis, Ashwagandha and Shilajit. Chandraprabhavati. This drug contains giloy, dhania, baheda, dantimul, piplimul, atis, nishod, tezpatta, dalchini, kali mirch, senda namak, shilajit, guglu, devdaru, badi ilaichi, vanshalocan, amla, harad, yavakshar, choti pipli, saunt, gaj pipli, kala namak, haldi, shwet chandan, vacha and more. The doses of these medications is determined in view of the patient's condition, age and clinical history. Apart from these medications, the patient may take Haridra Churan and Amalki juice for improving the immune response and preventing infections. Shodhan Chikitsa. Ayurveda Panchakarma therapy can yield good results in management of clinical symptoms and blood sugar values in type 2 diabetes mellitus. The treatment method consists of procedure such as virechana or detoxification through herbs which come with laxative properties. Virechana is found to be highly effective in correcting obesity and thus reduces the level of free fatty acids. Vasti, the administration of medicated enema. Vasti is considered to be the prime Shodhana therapy in Ayurveda. Udvardhana, massage with Kashaya Churan like Trifla Churan. By doing Udvardhana, it liquefies the Meda. Shirodhara, or the pouring of medicated liquids over one's forehead. Shirodhara is a form of Ayurveda therapy that involves gently pouring liquids over forehead. Shirodhara is said to have relaxing, soothing and calming effects on the body and mind. Nidan Parivarjanam, the third method for type 2 diabetes management. According to Ayurveda, Nidan Parivarjanam includes avoiding everything that leads to diabetes and taking a healthy diet, exercising regularly and avoiding daytime sleeping or Divaswap. Yes, type 2 diabetes is a kind of medical condition which can lead to many dangerous complications. Type 2 diabetes can produce many symptoms. As already talked about, in some cases, there may be no symptoms at all. This is why diabetes is often called a silent killer. It can destroy your body from within without even letting you know. However, Ayurveda can help you manage type 2 diabetes and lead a normal life even with diabetes. Conventional medications can produce many unwanted side effects, but when it comes to the ancient healing system of Ayurveda, you can get positive results with regard to diabetes management and without the harmful side effects of conventional medications. However, it is strongly recommended to take advice from a medical expert before altering your lifestyle or making any dietary modifications for optimum results. Ayurveda enables you to live your everyday life without hindrances with natural remedies that can be found in your kitchen or are easily available in the market. Click on the link in the description to access more Ayurvedic related content and for more Ayurveda hacks. Keep watching me with Livayu. Thank you so much.